So one thing you can do if you have a Yardworks mower, that's the Menards brand, and your mower battery does not cover your whole yard, which a lot of people will figure that out. Um, Sometimes, honestly, with electric mowers, you have to go slower, and you have to maybe cut more often because it doesn't have as much power as a gasoline motor. But if you look out the environmental impact of it, it's really astronomical how much better it is. So I encourage people that have a size yard that can handle it to go ahead and do electric. And so I want to show you what I did. So I just run out of mower juice. Uh, you know, like like I have a fourth of it left to do, and it runs out of gas. So what I did, I bought this. It's like a combo string trimmer and blower, and it's less than $100. And so each of the mower batteries is 4 amp hours, and you get 2 amp hour batteries here. And so that ended up being clutch for me because the 4 amp hour batteries, they're making money off of this. They'll sell them for $60 a piece. I got this one on eBay for like $70. You get 2 of these, and you get a charger, which the charger is about like $12 or $15 at Menards. So let me show you. Here's the 2 compared to the 4, and the pin setup is the same. And so, I mean, if you were to do this, then you have these batteries that you could swap amongst. I'm sure that's the blower, and that's the string trimmer. So it just ended up working a little better for me. Decided to share that because I ran into this a bunch, and sometimes it's just easier to pay for some things that make your life easier, but I guess I'm paying less at least, so maybe I'll weed whack more.